Let's cut it on. Oh, they both spraying now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it.
My back is against the wall.
What's going on, family? This is like the third, fourth take or something like that. I don't know how I'm gonna edit the video up yet. As y'all seen, I've already ran or put the new fuel system in. I won't say new fuel system, new fuel pump. It's on the bottom of this here. Nothing is connected 100%. Still screws to go in all through there. Don't exactly remember what I did with those screws either. Somewhere in here, but we'll deal with that a little bit later. Getting it running is the most important part. We could always get screws. But yeah, nothing is really connected 100%. We just got it just to the fuel to go through. So I put the new fuel pump on here. I detached down here that guy right there, and that I don't got it back connected fully, just enough for the fuel to run through. All right, so that line runs up, comes up through here. That's it right there. Comes up through here, and then up and through here. Through there to that one. Then got another one there that goes back down, up and through. That's your return line there. The far one is the return line. The bigger ones are feeding the fuel. So if y'all remember this one right here, and I'm saying if y'all remember because I don't know if this is all gonna be one video or not. Probably will be, but I don't know. That one right there is spraying fuel down into to what I'm gonna call the carburetor. This one is not. So what I did is went and purchased a new one. So what I did was go and buy a new injector there, brand new. Just ordered it from AutoZone. Came in a day. All my gaskets that I need there, and the guys are so man dumb that work at AutoZone. I'm not trying to come at all AutoZone workers. I mean the particular guy, you know, because I'm asking him, is that all it comes with? Is only this, only the actual injector? And he's like, that's all I see, and blah blah blah. I'm like, so it comes with no gaskets? They're gonna just you telling me that they're gonna just have the injector come with no gaskets, where on the actual injector over there, you see that right there? So the actual injector right here, when you take it off, there's gaskets all up under there, and he's trying to tell me that it only comes with the actual fuel injector here. So I ordered it anyway, and like I thought, came with all the gaskets here. Y'all see that? Bag of gaskets right there. So yeah, he didn't know what he was talking about. He's clearly just getting a check. But I digress. I'm gonna pop that guy off there, get this one installed, and hopefully that fixes our problem. Hopefully.
idea about these things. That's really good. You know, you said you might just have to tap it and pop it right out, which shows you do have some ability.
Alright guys, so as you seen, this was on top like this right here. I popped those 5 bolts out that I showed you earlier. I don't have to take these ones out on the bottom, luckily, because that would have been literally hell. Couldn't even see under there, but I gave it a few taps with the hammer here. You ain't trying to kill it, you just, you know, quick little pop and released it from being sealed for 40 years and wow, pop right off.
Seal came off too.
You see right there, that just popped up out of there.
Here it is, right here. That's
Clear this. Old one got the little black rubber little gasket on there, so I put one onto the new one there. So you want to keep the old one for a reference. Okay, so you're gonna have 3 of them. One of them is a metal one like this, which is your washer. This one goes in first. Then you got the rubber one here, goes right on top of it. And then you got the little black one that you see right there. I don't know why it ain't focusing, man. See the little black one on the tip of it right there though? I just already installed it. It didn't come installed like that. And your filter is right under it. The filter comes on it already. So I put it down like just a little bit this way, and I turned it and it locked right in there. So now it's sitting nice and snug. You don't want any clay on there. Just throw this right back on top here. Our gaskets are in place. Fingers crossed. We got the gas siphon out. Stealing gas out the vet. We broke. We need gas, so we're taking the rest out this car.
This shit is dirty too. Look at all that trash in there.
That wasn't already in the bin.
Not like that. You can see waters in there.
Mm-hmm.
And the
See
bubbles.
those bubbles in there floating around? That would be the water. Yeah, it started though.
I thought it was squirted before.
There ain't nothing squirting out.
Before we turned the key, I thought.
It was at one point, but I mean, we took the gas out and we ain't let it I don't know. Let's see. Try to cut it on. Oh, they both spraying now. They both spraying. Y'all seen it. They both spraying. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. See what
I
it do.
pumped it one time, then started it.
Yeah, let's see what it do when you hit the
You should
accelerator.
get some of that spray.
It's at the house. Yeah, I mean, if it's working, we shouldn't need it though. Gas. Look at some gas. Hey, we running, big dog. We running, big dog. Woo-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Alright guys, took about 3 or 4 videos combined into one to get y'all this video, man. But this is the very first fuel injection video for a 1984. I'm sorry, it's not the first fuel injection video, but it's the first video for a 1984 Corvette changing the actual fuel injector. And now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably gonna be a part 1 and a part 2. So this is gonna be specifically for changing the injector, because that was a fight in itself. But the whole conglomerate of videos, that was about 4 or 5 days, and it's still not over yet, because I still need to put a little tune up on it and really try to run it and see what the situation is. We haven't took any driving tests yet, only starting and running, which we did that, man. So I'm excited. But yeah, man, stay tuned for the next video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this one. I hope y'all got what y'all needed for all the 84 vet guys out there. And really, you can change injectors like this on any of the old Chevy vehicles from like 84 up to like 94, 95-ish. I'll check the exact year on them, but if it's got that crossfire system in it, it's all pretty much the same. They all pretty much cookie cutter. So, man, I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share. Tell everybody Mook and the V out here, man. We growing rapidly. Giveaway at 1K. I'm gonna do some Cash App giveaways at 1K, man. So let's get the channel there, man. Let's keep growing. Gang, 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 gang.